In this video, we're going to be talking about what is YouTube automation for beginners. Now, what I'm going to be covering is what is YouTube automation, who's it for, how much it will cost, and how you can make money. So, YouTube automation in a nutshell means a faceless YouTube channel where you outsource practically everything. Now, think of yourself as the owner of the channel and you get to build it from the ground up. Now, these channels can be known as YouTube automation, faceless YouTube channels, and also cash cow channels as well. Now, you can outsource absolutely everything. You can outsource the video script, the voiceover, the video editing, the thumbnails, the uploading, and the overall managing of the channel. Like I said, absolutely everything. Now, do you have to outsource everything? No, you don't. You can do some of the things yourself. Now, what you can do is the video scripts, the thumbnails, and maybe the uploading. And then you could outsource the video editing and the voiceovers as well. It all comes down to you and your budget. Do you have more money than time, or more time than money? See, depending on your budget and your circumstances will depend on how you approach this business. Now, who's YouTube automation for? Well, YouTube automation is for anyone. Have a hobby or something that you're passionate about? Well, you could create a YouTube automation channel or a faceless YouTube channel around that. Now, it's going to be easier to stick at something for long periods of time if you're creating a channel around a topic that you already like. See, building a channel takes time, effort, and consistency. You're going to be doing this for long periods of time and with little to no results. See, if you create a channel around a topic that you enjoy, it will be a lot easier to maintain and you won't find it boring. See, my YouTube channel, or my YouTube automation channel, is in a niche that I already consume a lot of content about. So, it's going to be easier for me to do this over long periods of time. Now, who's YouTube automation not for? Well, this type of business is not for the person trying to make a quick buck. Again, YouTube takes time and consistency to build up. See, I personally do not expect to make any money for a good 6 months to a year, but I am going to stay consistent as I understand consistency applies to everything and anything that you want to achieve in life. Now, how much will it cost to actually produce content and create videos? Well, simply put, as little or as much as you want. You could create your faceless YouTube channel completely for free, or just outsource certain aspects of your channel. With me, I'm outsourcing my video script and my voiceover. Then I'm doing a few things myself, such as researching video ideas, editing the videos, creating the thumbnails, and overall managing of the channel. Now, further down the line, when my channel is creating an income, I will probably start outsourcing more. But in the meantime, I'm enjoying running this channel and I'm finding it fun. So, how much is it costing to create one video for my channel? Well, the video script is costing me around $20. The voiceover is costing me around $24. Now, this does change as well because each video you create will cost a little bit different. See, this here, the video script and the voiceover, all comes down to how many words you actually have. So if your video script's 1,000 words or 2,000 words, the pricing's obviously going to be a bit different. Same with the voiceover, because that goes off words as well. The more words there are, the more it's going to cost to produce those videos. But the video script, $20.25, voiceover, $24. Then I have a couple of different softwares. Now I am going to cover these in a second as well, but the first software costing me around $29 per month. Now with me, I'm creating around 8 videos a month on the channel, so split that $29 8 different ways and we get $3.62. So it's costing me on average around $3.62 per video for this software. Then the second software that I have is costing me around $19.50 per month. Split that into 8 videos, and then that's costing me around $2.43 to create a video. So altogether, it's costing me around $50.31 to create a video for my channel. Now it can cost more than this, it can cost less. You could do all of this completely free, or you could outsource even more, and then obviously it's going to cost more. But on average, it's costing me around $50 to create a video for my channel. Now let's go over the websites and softwares that I'm using to actually create my content. The first one being writer.me. Now, with this software, this is an AI writing assistant tool that helps you create high quality content. Now, with this software, I use this to create my outlines for my videos or my video scripts. Then, once I have that outline, I send it somewhere else to actually get the script written. But this saves me so much time. Now, let me show you a quick example of this. We have a few different settings over here. I keep it on blog idea and outline. Then from here, I type in the topic that I want to create the video around. Now, that would all come down to research first over on YouTube. Then once I've got my ideas, I can write it in here. So let me just show you an example. 5 tips, let's do this again. 5 tips on how to eat healthy. Now you can literally write anything in here and it's going to give you an outline. Then you can play around with that outline so you've got it how you want before actually getting the script written. Now Writer's just doing its thing, so let's just give that a second and it should give us 5 tips on how to eat healthy. So there we go. Now we've got 3 variants here. So from this I can actually go through and start creating the outline. So from here I might not want all this, so I can get rid of that. I could keep the introduction, what are the different types of protein, or I could get rid of that, so let's get rid of that. Then down here we have the introduction. What is it? Why is it important to eat healthy? So I could keep that. Then we could get rid of this. Then number 1, include vegetables in your diet. 2, drink plenty of water. 3, choose whole grains over processed grains. And we have a lot of great stuff. So right here I could take away this bottom part. Let's take this. Let's keep this like that. Let's get rid of these keywords. So as you can see, this can just save me so much time with coming up with the structure of my video. But then I could keep doing a little bit more of this, really figure out how I want the video script structured. Then once I've got everything how I want, I would then go over to iWriter. Now I was using Fiverr to outsource the video scripts, but from personal experience, they just wasn't doing a very good job because you're trying to find writers on Fiverr that will just write for you. But if your video script is very niche specific, they're not really going to be able to write about that content. Where with iWriter, you can be very specific. And if we come over to pricing, we can have a look just here and we can see that their pricing isn't that bad. You have standard, premium and elite. I've been using the premium and also elite. So for 1,000 words written, it's going to cost $11.50 or $20.25. Now, iWriter is for writing articles, but with a few modifications, I can turn that into a video script and it's just better quality than what you would get over on Fiverr. Now, I just logged into my account because I want to show you something. If we go to order content, and then if we go to here, we can see all the different categories that you can have articles written about. So, depending on your niche, will depend on the category that you choose. If you're creating videos in the finance niche, then you can find writers here on iWriter that actually know what they're talking about. So you don't really get this on Fiverr. With Fiverr, you're just mainly getting people who can write, but if they don't really know what they're writing about, then the content isn't going to be that great. So again, that's why I like using iWriter, because there's people here on the platform who actually know about these different industries, and it will show when you have your articles written. But that's the second one that I'm using, and that's iWriter. Then I actually use Fiverr for my voiceovers. If you come over, type in voiceovers, you can start browsing around. It takes a while to actually find the voiceovers that you want. I'm constantly going through here trying to find new voiceovers, because ideally you want a few different ones. You want at least 3 or 2. Main reason being, if you have a voiceover that you really like and then for some reason you can't order that content, you can still get it from a different voiceover here on Fiverr. So it's a good idea to always use a different couple of ones and really spend the time to find the voiceovers that you like. But that's the third one, being Fiverr. Then the last software that I'm actually using is this. This is Pictory. And this software enables you to create and edit professional quality videos. And it's really easy to use. So this is what I'm using to edit my videos. I get my script, then I get the voiceover. And then once I've got everything, I create the videos with this software. Now again, if you want me to do more in-depth videos on my video creation and all of these different softwares, then drop a comment down below. So I start off with Writer. This is where I create the outline for my video script. I send that over to iWriter, and this is where I actually get the script written. Remember, this is for articles, but with a little bit of modification, you can turn them into a video script. Then once I have the video script, I send it over to VoiceOver, or should I say, I send it over to here on Fiverr to the voiceovers that I use. Then once I have that video script and the voiceover all completed and back in my hands, I then use that over here in Pictory to create my videos. Now, do you have to do it this way? No, you don't. There's a million different ways that you can actually create content for a YouTube channel. This is just the process that I'm currently using and the softwares I'm using as well. Now, how do you make money with a faceless YouTube channel? Well, the first one is AdSense. But the thing is, with AdSense, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time. So this is what really takes time to build up and does not happen overnight. The second way is selling your own products. So you could have printables, some type of digital download. You could have a course, an ebook. There's so many different products that you can create, and that would depend on the niche that you're creating the channel around. You could also do POD, print on demand. So you could sell mugs, t-shirts, hoodies, if it's in keeping with the type of content that you're creating. You can also be an affiliate. So everything out there now has an affiliate program. You could be an affiliate over on Amazon and sell anything on their platform. Or you could even do brand deals. So once your channel starts growing, you're going to get a lot of people reaching out asking to promote their products. So as you can see, there's a lot of different ways that you can actually create an income from a faceless YouTube channel. It just all takes time to slowly build up. But again, there's so many different ways that you can create an income from your YouTube channel. Now, let's just take a quick look at my channel, because I'm nowhere near being monetized. As we can see, I've had 166 views, that's 6.2 hours watch time, and I've gained 7 subscribers. Now, this is roundabout over the course of a month. I've now got 8 videos published as well. But as we can see, it's slowly growing. Over the last 48 hours, I've had a bunch of views. Not many, but again, it's slowly getting there. Now, the biggest thing that you can do with one of your channels is just staying consistent. Stay consistent at creating videos for your channel and do this for long periods of time. And again, all of this is going to be a lot easier if you're creating a channel on a topic that you already enjoy. Now, if you'd like to see my progress over the next few months and watch me grow this channel, then don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on bell notifications so you don't miss a thing. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any future videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.